Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we are going to find a solution to this very simple Olympiad mathematics question. We are given that if x minus root 10 multiplied by x plus root 10 is equal to 111, we're asked to find the actual value of the square root of x minus 2 root 10 multiplied by x plus 2 root 10. So I'm going to present you two methods. The first one, we are going to solve for x in the first equation, substitute that value of x into the second expression, while the second method will be Olympiad standard. Okay, let's get started with the first method. I would like to solve for x here, so let me drop it down here. If you observe, this is just difference of 2 squared, because the terms are exactly the same with a difference of sign, minus plus. So we can write this as x squared minus the second term squared, and the right hand side remain the same. Square root of 10 squared will cancel square root, leaving 10. So x squared minus 10 equal to 111. Add 10 to both sides. X squared will be equal to 121. Take the square root of both sides. X finally will be plus or minus 11. So we are going to take this plus or minus 11 and plug it into the second expression. And this second expression can be written as, observe, the terms here are difference of 2 squared also. So we have this first term squared, then minus second term also squared. If you simplify this, let me start with this one. 2 squared is 4, then root 10 squared is 10, 4 times 10 is 40. So this is the same thing as x squared minus 40. Square root of x squared minus 40. Since x is squared, either by plugging 11 or negative 11, the output will be positive. So it doesn't matter. We can use 11 or negative 11. So let me come to this side. So if x is 11, we have the square root of 11 squared minus 40. And 11 squared is 121. 121 minus 40. 121 minus 40 is 81. So we have square root of 81, which is equal to 9. Therefore, this value here, if you evaluate this, you get 9, provided that x is equal to plus or minus 11. So this is the first method, while the second method will be Olympiad standard, as I told you earlier. Okay, now let us look at the Olympiad standard. Let me start with the first equation. Difference of 2 squared, x squared minus root 10 also squared. This is equal to 111. X squared minus 10, right? Equal to 111. So let's stop here. But this one can also be written as the square root of what? X squared minus 2 root 10 also squared, isn't it? This is what we need to evaluate. This can be written as square root of x squared minus 40. Minus 40. So observe, we have x squared minus 10 here, but we have x squared minus 40 here. So how can we transform this as x squared minus 40? By subtracting 30 here. So if you subtract 30 here, you have x squared minus 10 minus 30. You have to do the same thing to the right hand side, 111 minus 30. So that we have x squared minus 40 equal to 81. So you can see that x squared minus 40 is equal to 81 according to this equation. So therefore this is equal to what? 81, sorry. This is square root of 81, which is equal to 9. As simple as that. Therefore you can see in both cases we have the value to be equal to 9. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye bye.